You've grated your cassava, you've pressed it. Now let's unveil the next frying part. In this step, you will see the birth of consistent Garri after frying and sieving processes. Garri fryer roasts 100 kilograms Garri per hour. Even frying equals consistent quality. Once wet pressed cassava paste put into the automatic frying machine. It uses a rotating paddle inside a heated drum to break it down and fry it uniformly. This ensures every single Garri gets equal contact with the heated surface. After frying, turn the handle on the right side. You can easily tilt the pot and quickly unload Garri. Now it's time that vibration sieve work well. This is what gives Garri that premium, supermarket-ready look. Vibration sieve is designed with different mesh sizes separating fine Garri from coarse bits. When the fried Garri enters the machine, the fine, perfect granules falls through one section, while any larger lumps are separated out. And you get a uniform, high-value product ready for bagging and selling. That is the frying part of lucrative Garri production. Want to learn more about Garri business? Focus us!